Hi everyone, I'm Shannon Morse, and today I'd like to introduce you to my new best friend, the Alienware M15. This is Alienware's newest and thinnest laptop yet, which stays true to the industrial design that they are known for, but it also introduces a thinner and lighter concept for on-the-go gaming. At 4.76 pounds and a size of 14.3 by 10.8 by 0.83 inches, you will find that this new Alienware M15 is 18% lighter than the Alienware 13 and 30% smaller volumetrically than the Alienware 15. So it's thinner and it's lighter, but does that compromise on specs and performance? Nope. With an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design and an Intel Core i7 CPU, at under 5 pounds, it's got the portability that we demand and the hardware to game wherever you are. This laptop also supports the Alienware graphics amplifier though, so if you want to use a desktop GPU, you totally can. The version I'm checking out also includes 16 gigs of RAM, a 512 gig PCIe M.2 SSD, and a 1TB hybrid drive. Now the M15 comes in Nebula Red or, like this one, Epic Silver, and it is constructed with magnesium alloy and copper from head to toe. This gives it durability and thermal management so you can rest it on your lap without it burning your legs off. Alienware uses their own tech, it's called CryoTech version 2.0, which optimizes cooling and maximizes overall performance of the machine. 2 intakes and exhausts cool the laptop from all sides, including an intake on the top. I just started playing Call of Duty Black Ops 4, and as I was testing this on the M15, I did notice how cool it stayed, though the fans got a little bit more audible. Now since this is an Alienware machine, you will notice the Alienware logo on the back, along with the power button on the front, both of which have a full range of RGB LED colors. The keyboard, which includes a number pad on the side, thank you so much for that, Alienware, also allows for color customization in the Alienware Command Center software. It's really fun to customize the 6 different zones on the laptop, or just make the whole thing a giant rainbow, kinda like my hair. The travel on here is 1.4 millimeters, and I was able to type on it at my usual typing speed with no issues at all. The trackpad doesn't feel like glass and is not as smooth, but it does get the job done. For content creation or daily browsing, it is precise and it's very accurate. The UHD screen is bright at 400 nits and it features 100% sRGB color gamut. It is a 15.6-inch 60Hz IPS screen at 3840 by 2160 resolution. You will notice that the bezels are thin on the sides while keeping to that thicker Alienware design up top and also including room for the webcam. The new Alienware M15 is available now with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design. Let me know your thoughts on this machine below and subscribe if you haven't done so yet for more GeForce content. I'm Shannon Morse, thanks for watching.